Hey friends! If you want to learn API testing professionally and effectively, this course is for you. Postman is one of the most powerful tools for API testing, and in this course, you'll learn everything from the basics to advanced testing and automation. This course has over 8,000 students and a 4.3 out of 5 rating, making it one of the best API testing courses on Udemy. Its discounted price on Udemy is around €12, but I'm giving it to you 100% for free. No cost at all. Just stay with us until the end of this video. First, open your browser and type gotodiscounts.com in the search bar. Once the results appear, click on the valid link to be redirected to the desired website. Make sure that what you type is exactly what is needed to be transferred to the desired page. On the main page of the gotodiscounts.com website, there are various and diverse sections for course categories. By selecting any of these categories, we can easily and accurately find the desired course and obtain the necessary information. In the page that opens, the courses related to the selected category are displayed. Among them, our desired course is listed, and by clicking on its link, we are redirected to the course page. The course page will open, providing details such as the discount and its expiration date. Make sure to check the expiration date to take advantage of the discount. To access the discount, simply scroll down the page and click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you can see, I was able to get this course 100% free through the website gotodiscounts.com. However, this discount is not permanent and is only available for one more day. So if you don't want to miss this amazing opportunity, act now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful and exciting content. Your feedback is important to us, so feel free to leave a comment. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video.